Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can update your location on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the top of your screen, you're going to find the option to go to your notifications. From here, you can see your friend activity, and right here, you're going to find your profile icon. If you click on it right here, you're going to find the option to access your account settings. Right here, you're going to find profile, upgrade to premium, private session, and right here, you're going to find settings. Right here, as you can see, guys, if you search in the settings, you won't find the option to change your location. So in order to be able to change your location, go ahead and click on account, and then this will take you to this page in your browser. So basically, guys, once you're here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the settings related to your Spotify account. So right here, you're going to find the account settings, payment settings, and security and privacy, and lastly, help. Go ahead and click on account. Here under it, you're going to find manage your plan, edit profile, and recover playlist. Go ahead and click on edit profile. Then right here, as you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find your username. Here, you're going to find your email. You can change your email if you want. Right here, you're going to find your gender and date of birth. And lastly, right here, you're going to find country or region. So just click right here on country or region. And then right here, you're going to find a list that includes all of the available countries and regions that you can switch to. You can also check this option, share my registration data with Spotify's content providers for marketing purposes. Once you finish, go ahead and click on Save Profile, and all of your changes will be saved. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.